Welcome to Gary and Giovanni's Toy Reviews. Today we'll be showing you Trash Pack Series 2. I just got these shipped in today. And here they are. We have Squeeble, Bludger, dun dun dun. Sorry. We got it's like this worm guy. He is Squirmer. It's orange. We have Grotty Fruity. Bernie. And I have another one of these, so if you would like to trade me a special edition, so for another one. So that's all I gotta say. Bye. Oh wait, I will show you in another video the rarity. I'll show you like the ones that I have and stuff.
Come on, I can't open this anymore.
So wait,
it's already open.
No, I didn't show these ones. We have Pew Pew. Orange. We have Dumbug. I've been waiting for this one. We have Bog Hog. Yuck Duck. We have another one of these, so if you would like to trade, just comment below. And we have another Yako Taco in green, so tell me if you want to trade, comment below. This is Dripsy in purple, and this is a green, it's a, wait, I think the green trash, is a green melter. That's all I gotta say. Bye.